US30 trading above the important support resistance at 31,700 and it has breached it. Now it has seen a high at 31,840. Remember 31,840 is the level which I told you it is going to be a good resistance. It is trying to trade below it. At the same time US100 trading below 12,400. See 12,300 400 zone definitely a critical resistance zone for US100 sustaining about 12,400, it will call for a bullish move. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share and comment and subscribe, and the next update will be up before the US cash session, so do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. Let's start with NASDAQ100, and yes, do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully. Now look at the hourly charts on NASDAQ100. You can find that it is getting the resistance at 12,400, trying to sustain below it. At the same time higher lows are seen, so just be cautious. Only bullish move is if it trades about 12,400. At the same time, if you see it trading below 12,350, go short. So just be careful of 12,400. Beyond that 12,440, 12,550 levels can be seen on the downside. 12,300 is a good support, 12,270 is the next support, and below that we may see 12,200 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is trading near to top there on the 2-hour charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts, the candle size has diminished here, indicating that the bulls have lost the control and it is still trying to trade within this. So a breakout is expected. I will be waiting for it to give you a breakout. If it trades below 12,350, definitely one can remain short. Then one can expect we can see 12,300 as a support, 12,270, and below that we may see it falling for 12,200 and below levels. About 12,400, just wait for 12,440, then we can see it rising more. 12,500, 550 and 600 levels can be seen. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is also trading near to top there. On the 3-hour charts, if you look on the 3-hour charts, it is creating steps out there, trying to trade in this. I'll wait for it to sustain above 12,400, break past 12,440, and then it will give you very strong green candle just of similar size, almost 100 points, and it can try to hit 12,550 plus levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought here. It can try to let's see if it tries to give you a drop there. The MACD is still bullish, the RSI is trading near to top there. And on the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts, look at the previous candle. The candle size has diminished. It indicates that the bulls are not willing to take it further high, and 12,400 is definitely playing out to be a stronger resistance. It is trying to get a pullback. Probability exists that it may give you a pullback till towards 12,300, 12,270 levels. And in fact below 12,240 you can expect a very good drop. You can go short at 12,350. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and bullish, it may start to converge here. And look at the RSI, this is trading near to the top. Likewise, if you see the daily, now look at the daily charts here. Previous candle, though it closed in green, but it had a sharp tail, indicates that there was bearishness, but the bulls tried to pull it back on the upside. And yes, if it breaks past this zone at 12,400, successfully trades about 12,440, the next resistance only beyond 12,440 you can expect 12,500, 600 levels. 12,600 is the next destination if it continues to trade about 12,450. See the previous move from 12,000 to 12,250. This time if it tries to trade about 12,350, possibility exists that it may try to in fact hit 12,600. So be careful of 12,440, 12,400 zone. This is going to be a very important zone for NASDAQ100. If it till the time it trades above 12,400, 450 zone, you can expect it to rise. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is looking upward. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a bullish move. It is right now trading bearish. RSI is trading flat near to bottom. So considering this, go long at 12,400, but then expect 12,440 as the resistance, and beyond that you may see it rising for 12,500, 12,550 and 600. You can stay long till the time it trades about 12,400 levels. And yes, on the downside, only short entry, only sell entry is 12,350. Below 12,350, 12,300, 12,270 as the next target. Below 12,270 it may crash for 12,240, very strong support. Then 12,200 and 100 levels will come into picture. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not miss to put the stop loss at cost. And now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Yes, before we proceed for the Dow Jones analysis, yes, if you appreciate the effort, Yes, become a pattern. The pattern page link is mentioned in the channel in video description. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is starting on 12th of September. Only couple of seats left. Be a part of it. Definitely you will cherish the learning for the lifetime, and the strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, US30 again narrowing triangle, waiting for it to give you a breakout. Yes, if you see it dropping below 31,800, go short, then 31,750, and you can expect below that we may see it again going below 31,700, which is a stronger support. Then if it breaks 31,700, it may try to trade little bit bearish. Then 31,620 and 31,500 levels can be seen. On the upside, breaking beyond 31,850, you can expect it to rise a little. Then 31,920, 32,000 levels will come into picture. Direction movement trying to converge. Stochastic is at top. MACD is in green, but it is trying to converge. RSI is at top there, near to overbought zone. Look at the 2-hour charts. The candle size is diminishing here. It potentially is signaling a reversal only if this candle goes below 31,800. Possibility exists that we may see a drop from here, and then it may try to take it further down till towards 31,600 levels, and below that we may see a crash for 31,450, 500 levels. Remember, the bulls are failing to take it further highs. That is what is important. I will be watchful of 31,850 levels, and rather I will say 31,870 levels. Beyond that you can expect 31,920, 970 and 32,000 levels. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is overbought, potentially looking forward to a drop. That is what it appears on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is moderately bullish. RSI is trading with a bullish bias near to top. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, it is trying to create a step there, trying to trade in this. Be careful of 31,870, 880. Beyond that you can expect 31,950, 970 and 32,000 levels. In fact, this time it can give you similar size of candle, almost 200 points, which might take it till towards 32,000, 32,100 levels also. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought here, hence a drop can be expected. MACD is divergent and bullish, it can start to converge. RSI is near to top. On the 4-hour charts too, likewise, if you see, it is trying to create a double top, and then from there see the previous candle, the bulls failed to take it further high and it traded with moderate bullishness. So yes, if you see it dropping below this zone, see, be cautious of 31,770 levels, and below that you can expect a little drop, more drop than expect 31,700, 31,620, and below that we may see it dropping for 31,500 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is trading near to top. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart the candle has started flat, and if you look at the previous candle, it has got a stronger pullback from the downside. Now on the upside you have to be careful of 31,900, 920 zone. If it breaks past this, definitely we can see 32,000 level, 32,100 today. Only short entry is below 31,770. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD is willing to converge here and cross over for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. Considering this, I will not recommend you to take any position between 31,770 and 31,870 levels. Above 31,870, expect it to hit 31,920, 970, 32,050 and 32,100 levels. So stay long above 31,870 levels. On the downside, you can go short at 31,770. Expect 31,700 to be the next support, and below that we may see it dropping for 31,620, 31,500 levels. Trade with the trailing stop loss, trade with the stop loss at cost, trade accordingly, trade profitably. Do not miss to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not miss to press the bell icon. Do join my mentorship batch. Do join my pattern page. Become a part of my free Telegram channel and reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My email and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much.